Hey guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to open up an image in Photoshop CC. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate at least two different ways. The first way is you would have already identified which photo you're going to be photoshopping. So in my example here, I have these images to the side. Hopefully you would have yours not on a desktop like I have, but a folder in your documents folder, digital Photoshop folder. Okay, once you've identified the photo, you're going to right click and open with. And if you do not have Adobe Photoshop CC showing up here like this, then you can go to search another app. If it is not in here, mine is, however, we just click for more apps. And if it still isn't there, we have to then browse for it. Look for another app on this PC. So we're going to browse for where the Photoshop app is. Once you do this once, it remembers it every other time and you don't have to go and browse for it again. It just automatically defaults straight to that folder. So here we go. And then we double click to open it. Now, I'm not going to go through the process of clicking open. I'm going to show you example number 2. Okay, so example number 2 is on your desktop, you will have a DIT folder. Double click on that. And in that folder, you'll have Adobe Photoshop. Just double click. Okay. Sometimes Adobe Photoshop remembers the last image that you worked on and will keep it in its memory, and you'll see its thumbnail come up once the application opens up. However, I am going to show you how to drag or add from scratch, from the beginning. Okay, so it's opening. The magic of time. Fast forward. Okay, so now we have Facebook. Photoshop is opened up, and you can see these were the last images I last worked on. If I wanted to continue with them, I could click on it. But let's say this is a brand new image that I'm going to work on. And okay, so we have one here on the side on my desktop, or if I was going to get it from a folder, I would just have the folder opened on the left hand side like this. So let's say this image here is in here. Okay, so I'd open up the folder where the image is, and I'm merely going to click on this with my left cursor, holding it down, keeping it down all the way throughout the section, and do not release until I say so. So now we've clicked down, I'm going to drag it over, and you'll see the move shows up, and let go. And the magic of Photoshop has opened it up. Okay, now here's example number 3, third example. I am going to, let's say I've got that folder. I'm going to open this image up. We can also go like this, File, Open, and we will navigate to that folder. Okay, you would have yours on in your documents and digital, and inside the digital folder you will have a Photoshop folder. That's where I expect you to keep every single image and your Photoshop projects when you're working on them. Okay, so I am going to bring that one out. I'm just going to navigate to where the folder is. What's it called? US 29789. Okay, I shouldn't have put it in there, but I'm only doing it for an example. And here we go. This is the boy image I want to bring up. I'm going to double click. Then about a second or two. There we go. Now you're ready to cut out the background. I'm going to upload this now.